In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Match Factory hack and Match Factory mod that works on both iOS and Android. This method gives you access to all the premium hacks in Match Factory, including unlimited coins, infinite lives, boosters, and a lot more. If you've been searching for a working Match Factory hack, this is the full step-by-step guide you need. As you can see on your screen, once the hack is activated, you'll unlock every feature instantly on both iOS and Android. This includes unlimited coins, infinite lives, and several powerful boosters that make progressing through the game much easier. Before we start, make sure your Match Factory app is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store and see if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready for the next step. Now, to get the Match Factory Plus version, just scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've placed all the instructions there so you can get the working Match Factory hack easily. Follow the steps exactly as shown and the mod will activate on your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!